What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 42 and today's topic will be how to use open source Llama 3 model with LlamaIndex. Okay, so before doing the actual tutorial, I like to say a couple of things. So first thing guys, I have seen that you guys are watching my channel. That is really amazing, but you guys are not subscribing to my channel. Guys, please try to subscribe the channel, try to share, try to put some comment, because the viewers like statistics are okay, but the engagement statistics are not good. So I need more engagement from all of you. So try to subscribe, try to like, try to share as well, and also try to put some comments so that it will increase the engagement, and also it will be good for the YouTube algorithm, so that my video will get the maximum reach and I will be able to reach large number of audience, so that my channel growth will be um, like I will my channel will grow actually. Okay, so this is actually good for the growth. Okay, so now come back to the learning topic. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to use llama 3 open source model using LlamaIndex. So till now we are using OpenAI, right? OpenAI API key we are using to build the authentication, and after that we are using it. But in this tutorial, I'll be not going to use the OpenAI API key. We'll be just going to use Llama 3 local model to actually download the model into my local, and we'll be going to use it. Okay. So basically, the downloading of the model and how to use it, everything I'll be going to teach you in this tutorial. From the LlamaIndex point of view, we need this thing. Install llama-index LLM is ollama, and the source code is actually available here. So now without wasting much time, let's go here, and what we'll do, we'll be going to actually uh, open up site called ollama. Okay, ollama. Okay, so from this site we'll be going to, if you click on the download, depending on the system you'll be able to download this thing. Once you download it will, okay, so depending on your system you can install. Once the installation is done, download and installation is done, what you have to do, you have to write this thing. uh, I'll show you, like whether it's your Mac or Windows, you have to type ollama and list. It will list down all the models. Okay, at the initial stage you will not have any models, so what you have to do, you have to go to models, and depending on the model you can click any of these things. So basically this is the smaller model, and you have to copy this thing and you have to paste it here like this. Okay, and it will download. Okay, so once the download is over, you have to close this terminal. Okay, right, now what will happen, now you have to go to your VS code and you have to write main.py, right? Done. Now what will happen, we'll be going to install this one. Okay, so let's copy this thing. Okay, then terminal, then change the Python to this, like this, and then pip 3.11 install this. Okay, I think, okay, 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 okay. So now what we'll do, we'll be just going to write the coding. So let's see. So basically here it will be from llama index dot llms. Okay, dot ollama. Okay, import, import what? Import ollama, right? Import ollama, sorry, import ollama. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to set up the llm. Okay, so llm, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, like this, like this. So llm equals to ollama, and here it will be model, right? So which model I have, I have to take it from here, the command prompt. Okay, so let's do ollama list. Okay, so I want to use this model. Okay, llama 3.2 latest. Okay, right? So remember, everything is actually uh, like logical. Okay, okay, some noise problem is there. Okay, okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be just going to write this one. Okay, and there is something called timeout, I think. There is, is there anything called timeout? I'm just thinking. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so just let me check, because I think there is something like uh, something will be there, like to uh, just hold on. Yes, so I think request timeout or something will be there. Just hold on. Yeah, request timeout. So I just want to make it 120. So basically, it is going to um, going to do it for 120. Okay, right? So now let's execute first. Okay, okay, okay. So now what we'll do, we'll be just going to write response. Okay, okay. So LLM dot, uh, it will be uh, complete. So complete. So here we'll be just going to write something. Okay, so who is Virat Kohli? Okay, so let's see, print and then response. Okay, okay, so let's execute. Yep, so it is giving some answer here. Okay, okay, so now this is actually a completion endpoint. So basically, uh, maybe we can actually try something else as well, like chat endpoint. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, just hold on. We can actually use chat endpoint as well. Okay, so what we'll do, um, um, so we can just write from llama-index dot uh, core dot llms import, I think chat message. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will just going to okay, list. do it here. So what we'll do, we'll be just going to write let's say messages. Okay, messages equals to chat message. Okay, something like this. And then let's say role, role equals to system. This is same everywhere, right? Chat message role system, and there is something called content. Okay, this is same everywhere, right? In the OpenAI API also it is same. So maybe I can just write you are, and you are a mm, you are a funny, and you are a funny, you are a funny and intelligent assistant. Okay, right? Then like this. Now there is something called chat message again, like this. Okay, now again we can mimic this one. Okay, okay, user, and then what is your name? Okay, okay, and I believe this is completed. Now let's going to ask you. So maybe let's, so it will give an answer in a funny way. So response is not defined, so I forgot. I just going to write sorry, I just did a mistake. Messages, so here it will be uh, llm dot chat messages. Okay, right? We can do like this. Okay, okay, so let's see. Okay, my name is Zing, but you can call me whatever you like. I'm here to make you laugh, help whenever I can. By the way, would like some virtual coffee? Would you like to chat about anything? Absolutely nothing at all. I'm game for either. Okay, you are a funny and intelligent assistant who can answer anything with fun, and humor. Okay, so let's ask. Linga, which means funny in some made up language. Okay, so it's going to ask you this thing. So basically my objective is to actually make you guys enable so that you guys can ask some question and understand. Okay, so now let's try to actually um, I'll be just going to wrap up this one here. Okay, and maybe we can create something similar in the next class, like we'll be just going to create a rag using LlamaIndex ollama model. Okay, so ollama 3.2 or something. Okay, so basically there are two ways of doing it, using completion endpoint and using chat endpoint. Okay, so this is completion, so maybe you can print here as well, print response. Okay, So this is also going to give something, and this is also going to give something. So let's see, two answer will be coming. Okay, so let's see. Yes, so first answer is generated, then next answer is generated. Okay, so like this. Okay, so that's it. I would like to conclude the video over here, but before I conclude, again same thing, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, try to share our videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because it will help you to get our future updates whenever I upload the video. Okay, so that's it, enough of talking. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.